Hello, I'm Purvi Maru and I'm welcoming you all to my channel Food, Health and Acupressure, where we'll be talking about food and acupressure every Monday, Wednesday and Friday in Hindi and on every Sundays in English. How to lose weight is one of the most common asked questions these days. So today we'll be talking about acupressure points to lose weight. Before that, let us know what is obesity and its causes. Obesity is a very common problem and it is defined as having a body mass index or BMI of 30 or more is called as obesity. Obesity is associated with a higher risk of many diseases such as diabetes, heart problems or cancer. Talking about causes, eating calories more than you burn, that can cause obesity. Obesity can also be a genetic disorder. Pregnancy can also be a cause of obesity. Obesity can be caused by certain health issues such as PCOD or PCOS can be a reason for obesity. Hypothyroid can also be a reason of obesity, or osteoarthritis can also be a reason for obesity. With today's acupressure points, you also need to do proper exercises and a good and healthy diet to lose weight faster. So now let us know about acupressure points. Before that, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then please do subscribe and do share this video with others so that they can also get this informative videos. And if you want to join my WhatsApp group, then do click on the link in the description box. So our acupressure point is on the front side of the hand on the middle finger. You can see this upper joint of the middle finger. Just above that, in the center is this point. See, on the upper joint of the middle finger, just above that joint, exactly in the center is this point. This point is called as SP4. So on this point, what we will do, we will just press this point properly for 1 to 2 minutes. This point is bilateral, that means you can treat it on both the hands. So press it properly on both the hands for 1 to 2 minutes. After that, we can do seed therapy or magnet therapy on this point. First, let us know about magnet therapy. For that, we will be taking this tonification sedation magnets, which we also call it as Buell magnets. If you aren't having these magnets and if you want to buy them, I have made a basic acupressure kit in which all these magnets, jimmies and things which we use in acupressure have been added in that kit. I have also made a video on it. I'll share the link in the description box. Do check that out, and if you want to buy it, you can definitely buy it from us. We'll apply this magnet in such a way that the white side of the magnet will touch the skin, and from the outside we can see the yellow part of the magnet. Okay, so properly stick it on this point. Do the same thing on the other hand also. This point is bilateral. Apply this magnet for 8 to 10 hours, and whenever you will remove it, throw the paper tape and bring both the magnets together so that they can energize themselves and they can be used again. Magnets do not expire. You can use it lifetime. So for seed therapy, we will take a paper tape and a fenugreek seed, or you can also say it as methi dana, and apply it like that in the center, and we'll apply this tape properly on this point. You need to apply this seed also for 8 to 10 hours, and whenever you will remove this tape, you need to throw the seed and the paper tape, and on the next day use new seed with new paper tape. Do not use the same seed again. Do this treatment daily, you will definitely find the results. So that's all for today. If you found my video good, then please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.